Imagine you had an infinite number of chances to live your life. Would that change the way you view your world now? Welcome, fellow explorers of the Enigma of Existence. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of the multiverse theory. This theory, which might seem like it jumped straight out of a science fiction novel, posits that our universe, the one we perceive, touch, and breathe in, might not be the only one. It suggests that there could be an infinite number of universes existing in parallel to ours. Now let's take a moment to truly comprehend the magnitude of this idea. Imagine a vast cosmic landscape where each speck of dust represents a different universe, each with its own laws and constants. That, in essence, is the multiverse theory. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of reality and existence itself, proposing that our universe is just one of countless others. But the multiverse theory doesn't stop there. It also introduces the concept of parallel universes. These aren't just any universes. These are worlds where every possible outcome of every event defines a different reality. Picture this. In one universe, you might be a renowned scientist, in another, a world-class athlete, and in yet another, perhaps a simple farmer tending to your crops. Each decision, each chance, each moment creates a new universe, a new reality. This idea, as mind-boggling as it may seem, isn't pure fantasy. It stems from the interpretation of quantum mechanics and the study of cosmological phenomena. It's a theory that dares to question our perception of reality, pushing the boundaries of what we understand and what we can comprehend. So does this mind-bending concept simply belong to the realm of science fiction? Or could there be some truth to it? As we journey further into this cosmic maze, we'll explore this question and many more, challenging our understanding of the universe and perhaps of existence itself. The multiverse isn't just a wild idea born from the minds of science fiction writers. It's a concept that has its roots in the world of quantum mechanics. Diving into the deep end of quantum mechanics, we find a realm where the laws of classical physics buckle under the weight of the bizarre and unexpected. One of the most mind-bending principles that quantum mechanics proposes is the idea that particles can exist in multiple states at once. This is known as superposition. Consider for a moment the curious case of Schrödinger's cat. In this thought experiment, a feline is placed in a box with a radioactive atom that has a 50-50 chance of decaying and triggering a device that would regrettably eliminate the cat. According to quantum mechanics, until the box is opened and the cat's state is observed, it exists in a superposition of states. It is both alive and dead at the same time. Only upon observation does the cat collapse into one definite state. Now, here's where things get interesting. The many worlds interpretation, one of the most popular theories in quantum mechanics, argues that whenever a quantum event occurs, the universe splits. So in the case of our unfortunate feline friend, when the box is opened, the universe would bifurcate into two distinct realities, one where the cat is alive and one where it isn't. This concept of multiple realities isn't limited to cats in boxes. It extends to every quantum event that occurs, suggesting an almost infinite number of parallel universes, each playing out every conceivable outcome of every situation. And thus the idea of the multiverse takes root. So if we follow this line of thinking, every decision you've made, every chance you've taken, every road you've traveled has created a branching path leading to a different version of reality. So if quantum mechanics allows for multiple states, could it also allow for multiple universes? The idea of the multiverse might sound like pure fantasy, but some scientists believe there might be evidence to support it. Now, let's venture into the realm of the cosmic unknown. Some of the most compelling evidence of the multiverse theory is found in the concept of cosmic inflation. This is the idea that our universe underwent a rapid expansion immediately after the Big Bang, and it's a widely accepted aspect of cosmology. But here's the twist. If cosmic inflation is true, then it's also plausible that our universe is just one bubble in an infinite cosmic ocean. Imagine an endless sea of bubbles, each one a universe unto itself, each one with its own set of physical laws, its own history, its own reality. But the rabbit hole goes deeper. Some scientists propose the existence of a level 4 multiverse, the most extreme and fascinating of all multiverse theories. In this conception, Not just the laws of physics, but the very nature of reality itself could be different in each universe. Some universes might be governed by mathematical structures completely alien to us, while others might contain forms of consciousness we can't even begin to comprehend. The possibilities are as endless as the multiverse itself. However, it's crucial to remember that these ideas, while tantalizing, are still very much theoretical. We're still in the early stages of understanding the nature of our universe, let alone any potential multiverses. Yet the evidence continues to pile up. From cosmic inflation to quantum mechanics, from string theory to dark matter, the clues are out there. They're scattered across the cosmos, hidden in the fabric of reality, waiting for us to decipher them. So where does that leave us? Are we alone in a single universe, or are we just one of an infinite number of realities, each one unique, each one a world unto itself? Could we then be just a tiny part of an infinitely vast multiverse? Now let's contemplate the implications of a multiverse. What would it mean if this theory were true? Picture this: every decision you've ever made, every path you've ever taken has created a new universe. A universe where you took the other road, made the other choice. This is the concept of quantum mechanics, the idea that all possible outcomes of a decision actually occur, each in its own universe. But it's not just the choices we make. There could be infinite versions of ourselves living in these different universes. Each one a slightly different variation of you. Some might be living lives that are drastically different, while others might be almost identical to your own. Imagine a universe where you're an astronaut exploring the far reaches of space, or a world-renowned musician captivating audiences with your talent. And then there's the anthropic principle. This is the idea that our universe appears to be perfectly tuned for life because, well, if it wasn't, we wouldn't be here to observe it. If there are an infinite number of universes, then it's not surprising that at least some of them would have the right conditions for life. It's like rolling a dice an infinite number of times. Eventually you're going to roll a 6. Considering this, the concept of a multiverse could flip our understanding of existence on its head. It challenges our perspective on reality, our understanding of cause and effect, and even our sense of self. It forces us to question our uniqueness, our individuality, when there could be countless versions of ourselves out there. But it's important to remember that this is all theoretical. While it's a fascinating concept that has gained traction in scientific and philosophical circles, we don't have any concrete evidence for the existence of a multiverse yet. So, while the multiverse remains a theory, its implications could change the way we view our universe and our place within it. The multiverse theory compels us to ponder on the power of the human mind to conceive of such infinite possibilities. It's a mind-bending concept, isn't it? The idea that there could be an endless number of universes, each with its own unique set of laws and realities. It's a notion that pushes the boundaries of our understanding, challenging us to question what we think we know about the nature of existence. We've delved into the scientific underpinnings of the multiverse theory, explored the tantalizing pieces of evidence that could potentially support it, and pondered on its profound philosophical and scientific implications. It's a theory that sparked debates and inspired countless thought experiments. But remember, all of this, the multiverse theory, the debates, the thought experiments, stem from the extraordinary power of the human mind. It's our ability to imagine, to dream, to question, that allows us to conceive of such a universe, or rather, multiverse. Whether or not the multiverse exists, the very fact that we can conceive of it is a testament to the incredible power of the human imagination.